What's up, guys? Austin Gay here. Today I'm watching my friend and me ride the dirt bike. Okay, my turn.
Okay. Oh!
My turn.
Okay,
Work. Swerve. Okay, now get a clip of me.
oh shit, sorry.
I'm gonna show you guys the best trick on a motorcycle ever. Pause it.
Yeah, I paused it.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, I didn't get any of the stunts that you did.
Window. Honeysuckles.
Oh shit, I just swerved.
Okay. Get a clip of me. Come on. Get a clip. Good. That was legit, bruh.
Hey, can I take this down to the driveway?
If you insist.
Hey, we're gonna go drive to the driveway.
Yeah, we're gonna go drive in the driveway. See you guys in the drive future. So, we will return with a few commercials. Wow, 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 wow. Waya yanza, lekan yanda, lekina, lekarma, leka. Now we're returning to the channel. Okay, guys, I'm almost there. You can tell he's already there. So here we're driveway. This is pretty cool.
Hey Corbin,
What?
you know in front of the dump truck? I want you to stand there, record, and show them how fast this thing can go. Dude, this thing goes so fast.
Okay.
Okay,
Guys, I just found something real disgusting. It's a ditch full of stuff. No! Okay, I am. No, it'd be easier right here. I'll do it right here. That way you can go really fast. Do it! No. Fine. Come on. What? Is that a gas? That's where